Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai i10. In this video I'll show you which engine is best. The 1.0 MPI petrol is the best engine for most buyers because it combines simplicity, low fuel consumption and relatively inexpensive maintenance. The 1.2 MPI provides noticeably better performance and is preferable if you frequently carry passengers or drive outside the city. Both engines are naturally aspirated, avoiding the complexity of turbochargers. For maximum reliability and low running costs, the 1.0 MPI is the safest choice. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.